Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 8th of April 2015. Just before we get started, so far this month we're up in 110 points cumulatively for April. And looking at yesterday's trading as well, you can see that there were plenty of signals. So if you're getting the same signals and making the same sort of profits, it'd be great if you could drop me a note and let me know. Right, starting off on the 5-minute chart, this big green bar here is the start of the session. These other signals are prior to this. This is just something that I've noticed that we've got in the software that we need to sort out, because we keep the PTPs and XXXs trading through the whole of the session, whereas the new PTIs are only within the white part of the session. They're a limited part of the session. It's very difficult to turn off the PTPs and XXXs and leave the PTIs on the chart. So something that we need to look at. So the green bar here, this big green bar, is the start of the trading session, and then we get the first PTI where we see the market trading lower there, all the way down to the psychological level there of 17,900 before the market finds support, reverses, and moves back to the upside there. So the potential profit on this trade down to the psychological level there is 35 points. A bit later on in the session we then get another PTI, this time the market closing above the 17,950 level. You see the market there just giving 20 points. As we go into the quieter part of the session, you can see how this became a resistance area. You see the market came back once more, didn't stop out the trade, and then moved back to the upside there to give another chance at the 20 point there. In the quieter part of the trading session, you can see the got a XXX and a PTP there. So you can see the market stopping out this trade, and the reason my PTP is showing red there, I've been playing around with moving the stop to 50% on the PTPs, which I will just show you there under trade calculation. You can see there the initial stop 50%, which is why that one shows in red. Again, something that I've been talking about over the last few weeks, about just changing this just to see if giving the market a bit more room to breathe increases the chances. And you can see that is the case there. You've got the red in the PTP there. Outside of that, of course, it would have produced a loser, but again, this is where I keep going on about this, having the stop above the previous highs or a bit further away, just to give the market chance to breathe there. So then we get the XXX here, and again you can see the market coming down towards the psychological level there. A bit of buying coming in as we start the evening session, and then the market rolling over and trading all the way down through to the 17,900 level once more, which is about as far as this market would have gone. But then we get a few bars just after the close there. So again, down to the psychological level from the entry price there is around 67 points. So another great day on the market there, plenty of points to be had. In the daily charts, let's just have a quick look at this. You can see prices there just coming off the highs and really fairly quiet compared to the previous day. And again, just to reiterate, on Monday obviously the European markets were closed, the US was open, and this allowed the market to be run up on fresh air. And yesterday you can see what a difference it makes when everybody's playing the game, as it were. So slightly different day yesterday. You can see the market running into some selling there and coming off the highs, and in fact the volume is greater in this price bar than it was in the bar of Monday, where prices were actually run up. Finally, in the implied volatility, we can see 1353 the day before, 1348 this, dropping off slightly, which is unusual given that the market actually pulled back during yesterday's session. We'd have expected that to increase slightly. So very quiet really for the implied. It's got into a bit of a sideways move over the last week there. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in tomorrow's edition. Let's hope the profits continue to run as they are at the moment. And all things being equal, see you tomorrow. As ever, thanks for your support and also for watching. See you in the next one.